Good morning, student. How are you?
Good morning, teacher.
Good
Fine.
morning. Yes, very good. Okay. So today is Saturday. Okay. So today we are going to study from Play, Do, and Learn textbook. Okay. In the last chapter, that is a drama. Okay. Now on page number 86, lesson number 6. Okay. Drama. Drama means acting, performing some activities. That is a drama. Okay. In that lessons, we today we study about the 6.1. That is the imitation of sound. Okay. Imitation means, what is the meaning of imitations? Imitation means the copy of some things. Okay. For examples, we are going to copy some act, some acting. Okay. For somebody or some things. Okay. Why the imitation done? To make some people laugh. Okay. That is the meaning of imitations, means you have to be copy the some things. Okay. That means some voice is there, some acting is there, some faces is there. So these are this is called the imitations. Imitations are meaning say to act or to copy some things. Understand, children? The imitations of sound. In that chapter, we have to be
Yes,
study
teacher.
about the imitation of sound. Yes, beta. Now, imitation of sound. Uh, we are going to see in this level imitations of animal sounds, some vehicle sounds, and some bird sounds. Okay. Okay. I will share my
Okay,
screen.
teacher.
I will show you some pictures. First, you have to be identify and tell me the name of that pictures. Imitation of sounds from animals, birds, and vehicles. Okay. Tell me. Which pictures is this? Identify the animal.
Dog.
Yes. This is
Boo,
the
boo,
pictures of
boo, boo.
dog. Yes. And voice of dog, that means it is called roar. Okay.
Boo.
Yes. Bobo, it is a sound. Create a sound. Next one is
Tiger. Tiger.
yes. This is a tiger. Okay. Tiger is the sound of tiger is called a roar.
Ball.
Identify yes. Cow.
Cow.
This is a cow.
Boo.
And the voice of the cow is
Boo.
called
Cow
moo.
sound.
Moo.
Boo. Boo.
Yes, moo, moo. Yes, very good. So this is the imitations of sound. Now see the next one.
Cat.
Identify the
Cat.
animal.
It
What is the
sound.
name? Yes,
Meow meow.
the cat. Yeah, this one is a cat. Yes.
Meow.
Meow. Mew. This is a sound. Okay. Now next one is
Parrot. Parrot.
yes,
Me
parrot.
too.
This
Me
is a
too.
parrot. Okay. The sound of parrot is called screech and squeak. Okay.
Me too. Too. Sick.
Mitu mitu. Yes. It's also called mitu mitu. This one is
Kabutar guturgu guturgu.
pigeon. Yes, it is called pigeon.
Pigeon. Pigeon guturgu
Yes,
guturgu.
Good. Okay. Next one
Tree.
is yes. This is
Train.
the vehicles.
Train.
Train. This is the pictures of train.
Bomb.
The bus. Okay, this is your school bus or
Bus.
a bus is there. Bus.
Bus.
Yes.
Aeroplane.
This one is
Aeroplane. Aeroplane.
an aeroplane. Yes, an aeroplane. This one is
Bike.
bike.
Motorbike.
Yes, this is a bike, yeah,
Motorcycle.
motorbike, motorcycle. Okay. Okay, children, that means you understood the pictures and the names, what is seen on the pictures. Okay, now I'm going to
Dog.
play some sounds. Okay, yes, I'm
Boo.
going to
Boo.
play some sounds.
Boo. Boo.
You have to be listen very carefully. Yes, up. You have to be listen very carefully the sounds of each animals, birds, and vehicles. At the end of the lesson, I will ask the identify the sounds. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Now, listen everyone. Yeah, this is the sound of dog. Okay, that is a we have to be imitate the sound of dog. That is a bo bo. Bo bo is the sound of bo. That means I am copying the sound of dog. That is called imitation of sounds of animals. Okay, I am imitating the sound of dog. Now see next one. This is a tiger. Yes, this is sound of tiger. That means tigers create like these sounds. Okay, we have to be imitate the sounds of tiger. Now see next one. This is a cow.
Cow. Cow.
Cow.
Cow.
This is a
Cat. Cat.
okay. This is sound of cat. Now parrot.
Parrot.
Listen everyone, the sound of parrot.
Choo choo.
Okay. Have you heard the sound of parrot?
Yes,
Yes.
teacher.
Now see the next. Next is pigeon.
Pigeon.
Hmm. Listen to the sound of pigeon.
Pigeon. मिस आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay. Now again listen to the sound of pigeon. Yes. Now see next one. The pictures of train. Okay.
Train.
How the train make a sounds. Nah, yes. How makes a train a sound? Listen. Yes, children. This is sound of train. That sound makes such types of sound. That is train makes such type of sound. Understood everyone the sound of how what is this how this train sound?
Yes, teacher. Teacher.
Okay. See next one. This is a bus. Yes. Now this is sound of bus. See the next one is a aeroplane. An aeroplane. Yes. Last one is bike. That is a okay. Understood the different sound of these animals, vehicles, and
Train.
birds.
Teacher.
Yes. That means now you hear the different sounds of animals, birds, and vehicles. Okay. Now we are going to imitate the sound of animals, vehicles, and birds. Okay. Now this is a dog. How the dog bark? Bho bho. Okay.
Wow.
Yes, we are imitating the sound of dog. That means we have copied the sound of dog. Now next one is a tiger. Yes, tiger. Yes. This is a sound of tiger. That is we are imitating the sound of tiger. Next, cow.
Cow.
Yes. Oh, yes. Ooh. The sound of yes. Sound of cow. That is we are imitating the sound of cow. Next, cat. Meow, meow, meow. So this is the imitating the sound of cat. Parrot.
Parrot.
That is a sound of parrot. Pigeon.
Pigeon. Gutturgu.
Guturgu, guturgu. The sound of pigeon. That means we are imitating the sound of animals and birds. Trains, bus,
Papa.
aeroplane, and bike. Okay. So I'm going to play the sound of each and every. You have to be listens. Okay. Now this is a any sound of dog.
Dog. Dog.
Sound of tiger.
Tiger. Tiger.
Yes, very good.
Cat. Cat. Parrot. Parrot. Parrot.
Sound of pigeon. Train.
Aeroplane.
An aeroplane.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
aeroplane दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था.
Okay. Understood the different sound of the vehicles, animals, and birds. Okay. Now I'm going to play some sound. You have to be identify the which type of sound is the which vehicles sound is, which birds and which animal sound is. Yes, ready everyone?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Sound of which vehicle sound is this? Can I play again? Okay, listen. Yes, the sound of train. Yes, very good. The next one is yes, sound of bus. Very good, Peta. Okay, now listen the sound again.
Dog.
Sound of pigeon bird. Okay,
Pigeon.
pigeon. Yes. aeroplane. It's sound of an aeroplane.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle. Oh, that is the sound of bike. And look
Bike.
at the sound. This one.
Tiger.
Sound of tiger.
Dog. Dog.
Yes. Dog.
Parrot. Parrot.
Yes. Parrot. Last one.
Cat. Cat.
Yes. That means you understood the sounds of animals, birds, and vehicles. Okay, now we are imitate the sound. Okay, I am going to tell you one bird's name. You have to be imitate the sound of that birds or animals. Okay, children. Okay, imitate the sound of dog.
Yes, teacher.
Dog. Imitate
Boo.
the sound
Boo.
of dog.
Boo. Boo.
Boo, boo, boo. This is the imitations of sounds of dog. Okay, that means you have copy the sound of dog. Next is cat. How the cat makes sound? Meow. Meow. Yes. The copy the sound of cat. Next one is parrot.
Mitu mitu.
Mittu, mittu. Okay, this is sound of parrot. Okay. Next one is train. How to imitate the sound of train?
Juk 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 juk.
Yes, very good. We have to imitate the sound of train. Chuk 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 chuk. Okay, that means we create the sound, or we imitate, or we copy the sound of train. Okay, children understood the different sounds, how to imitate the sound. Now, imitation sound comes in drama. Drama means you have to play, perform some activity. For doing the drama, we should know how to copy the some things. Okay, copy means you have to be act, or you have to perform somebody acting, some the behavior, some how to talk. So we are doing this. This is called imitations. Now, in this chapter, we have to see the imitations of birds. In the birds, we see the pigeons and parrot. And in the animals, cat, dog, tiger, and cow. And in vehicles, we see the imitation sounds of bus, train, bike, and aeroplanes. Okay, children. Now, in the next chapter, we will see the self introduction. That means introductions means myself. Understood, everyone? The topic of imitation of sound, the meaning of imitations. What is the meaning of imitations? Tell me. Copy or yes, you have to perform the same. That means you have to be copy the some things. Okay, sound, behaviors, acting. Okay, understood, everyone? Imitations
Yes.
of sound.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, bye, children. We will meet in next class.
Bye, miss. Bye, teacher. Bye, miss. Bye, teacher.